guys, good morning. Today is December 21st, 2016. There, 9:54 a.m. and I'm here at Lucky Plaza. I just sent some, kind of little bit of budget for Christmas, and then I'm going to eat breakfast. This is very heavy. Syempre, saan pa? Eh di sa Jollibee. Tara, kain tayo! Yummers! I got a chicken and a spaghetti. And I got to have water. I want to drink coffee or soda. Alright, I'll go ahead and eat. Hello! Nandito pa rin ako. Edit muna pag may time kasi mamaya pa naman yung pasok. 12 o'clock, so I still have 1 hour and a half. Ayan, bababa na ako. Ang gagawin ko is bibili ako ng pandesal. Di ba tinapos yung editing ko kasi medyo malakas yung background sa Jollibee. Hindi ko marinig yung sound, so, and then I did not bring my earpiece. So I decided to go to my workplace earlier. And since I still have enough time, maybe I can do some editing before I start working. Tara, bili muna tayo ng pandesal. Ayan, malapit na ako. Dito ako kila ate Mang Inasal. Nabili ng pandesal. Ate, naiya naman ako. Sabi kasi yan. Ganda doon, nagupit ng buhok ko. Sabi ko, naku, inano ko lang yan, blow dry. Tapos, ayan, sige, pasok na ako kasi meron akong pandesal. Ayan, dito muna tayo. Abangers tayo ng bus. Papunta sa aking workplace. Grabe ang ulit ng bag ko. Dinala ko kasi yung MacBook Pro. Street. Dito kayo pwedeng mamili ng mga souvenir when you're here in Singapore. Para lang siyang katulad sa atin. Kung ang hanap mo naman ay murang bilihin, meron pa dito isang shop na mura pa dahil moving out na daw. Paubos na yung panalinda nila. Bili lang ako ng mga candies. Ayan, sobrang sale sila. Lahat, mostly $1 na lang. Kita ko ano yung mga pinalitan nila, pero mostly grocery items. So, most of it, like $1 na lang. Yun! Sige, bili mo na ako. May mabibili. Itong Value Dollar na to, katabi ng Bugis Street kanina. And, magsasara na din kasi sila. So, bagsak presyo. Yung pinakita ko na puro $1 lang. May items na more than $1. So, dahil malapit na sila magsara, bumili ako ng chocolate. Yan. I got 5. I got fruits and nuts. And then I got roast almond. Oh, I got 2 roast almonds. I thought it's hazelnut. Oh, and then hazelnuts. Yeah, so I got 5 pieces, and don't worry, I'm not gonna eat it. I will send this back home to my family in the Philippines. Yay! Ayan, nandito na ako. So, oras na para maghanap buhay. So, I think that's it for tonight. For today, guys. I have to do something. Let me know what kind of adventure you're looking for. And we'll see kung kaya ni Eva gawin ng mga yan. Comment down below kung ano yung mga suggestions nyo. Because I'm running out of ideas na. I'm just focusing on the Christmas season, kaya more on Christmas decors and events yung pinapakita ko. Alright, I think so that it's for now. Edit muna pag may time. I'll see you later. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much. Maligayang Pasko!